Welcome back, everyone. We're going to show you how to create this exact look using pearl white coffee highlights, and you're going to learn it all here, Leggari.com. Enjoy the video. And when you're doing a counter, it'll take you, probably another 20 minutes to get all the top coat out, so the material will kind of start to get a little tacky. Not a lot, but then you would start rolling your edges, right? I mean, this is so small, the material's going to be really fluid. Yeah, and it's all about the thickness. You try to put stuff on thin, it just never looks as good. But it's a little thick in the middle, so I'm just pushing it to the edge.
Yeah,
Getting it all even.
Tyler, when you have like let's say for mica countertop.
Yep.
And it's got that fairly straight edge on it.
Yep.
How do you guys kind of work with something like that?
It's always good to you can even take a palm sander and round that a little.
Well, you can round it,
Yeah, and we're gonna do for mica in the other shop. It has a pretty straight edge. It's not straight, but has a little round to it. Real simple to do.
Okay. We have a lot of that.
People router it.
We have that.
Yeah, people router it. Some people just sand it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
All right, so now the top's pretty even. Like I said, it doesn't need to be perfect because it self-levels. And then I'm just gonna start doing the edge. So I'll make sure I got some product on my roller, and I'll add it to the edge here. And it's gonna start dripping now. So just be cautious where you're walking. Get a little more on your roller, do the edge.
The self-leveling aspect of it, really takes a lot of.
Yeah, it's seriously, I tell people, if you can paint a countertop with like wall paint, you can apply your kit. Really the only difference is the thickness. You know what I mean? That's really the only difference. It's not like you have to be an artist or anything. This, like I said, the product does most of the work with self-leveling, blending the colors. All you're trying to do is just get it as even as you can. So I always like to swirl it before I add the highlights on the counters, because this helps bring any bubbles that are locked under the surface and bringing them up and popping. You can kind of see how they're like those big ones that Brent came up. You can kind of see random ones coming up.
Yeah.
And it's popping any bubbles that are under the surface. So then I'll just set this down on the plastic, get my highlights. Like I was telling you before, when you're doing counters, you don't need a lot of highlights. Like, I'm probably going to use hardly any of this. And I'll just get it on there. Just go different ways. Make sure you get up to your edges, random spots. Here's a nice little trick. Once you're done getting the top done, go around your edges and add a little bit extra to your edges, because that's going to keep flowing over. And you're gonna have that color on your edge. And just add some here and there, because you don't want your edges to be all bare.
That's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Kind of bring it back a little, because it'll keep flowing over. See, I'm not adding a bunch of lines everywhere. I'm just doing the edges, so we have good color on the edges. And then now you're gonna just swirl it. then you're just gonna lightly swirl this. Just random directions. And see how the color's muted right now? It'll come back. Do your edges a little bit as you go along. But notice I'm going different ways. I'm not going the same swirl pattern. But see how light it is still? Because we didn't add a lot of highlights. And then just kind of swirling your edges here. And it's such a small counter, these edges are gonna just run all off. And we'll have to keep messing with them, but if you're doing a big counter, it's gonna already be setting up on you a little bit. And that's it. So now, you see how the colors are really muted? Can't really tell that coffee's not very dark. In about an hour or two, it's gonna all come back. The roller lines are gonna go away. It's gonna look amazing.
This is pearl, right, Calvin?
Yeah, pearl and coffee highlights. And this was a copper counter. Just add some random brown in some spots. Not a lot, just some hues, and if you can add more or less, I mean. There we go. And then just kind of blend that in, and that'll level out. Roller lines will go away, and then you'll have some brown right there. And it's simple.
Marvelous.
It's really simple.
And then you let it all.
Thanks for watching, everyone. If you're not getting our emails and you're a subscriber, make sure you go to your settings and change that to ensure you see all of our footage. Every time we post a video, you should be getting an email. We want to make sure you guys see all of our videos and you have the chance to enter for our free giveaways. For every 50,000 views that this video gets, we're going to be giving away one of our free epoxy sample kits so you can learn how simple our kits are to install and how cool and fun they are. All you have to do to enter for that is subscribe to our channel, comment below, and make sure you share our video. It's that simple. And remember, Leggari.com has you covered.